Vertical, you're a second year BSIT student. Today I will be presenting my first HTML web page, entitled My First HTML Web Page. This presentation I will explain the HTML code that I created, the purpose of each HTML tag, and how these tags work together to build a simple web page. I will also demonstrate how my web page appears in the browser and share what I learned while creating this project. Doctype HTML. This line tells the browser that I am using HTML5, which is the latest version of HTML. It helps the browser understand how to properly display my web page. Ito ang nagsasabi ng browser kung anong type ng document ang ginagamit ko. The HTML tag is the root element that contains all the content of my web page. Lahat ng elements sa website ay nasa loob ng tag na ito, kaya para ito ang pinaka-container ng buong web page. The head section contains information about the web page that is not directly shown on the screen, such as the title and other settings. Hindi ito nakikita ng users, pero importante ito para maayos na gumagana ang web page. The title tag sets the title that appears on the browser tab. Ito ang pangalan ng web page na makikita sa taas ng browser, making it easier for user that identify the page. Next, the body tag contains all the visible content of the web page. Lahat ng nakikita natin tulad ng headings, paragraphs, images, links, and list ay nasa loob ng body tag. I use the H1 tag for the main heading because it represents the most important title of the page. Mas malaki ang font nito kaysa sa ibang headings, kaya ito ang unang napapansin ng users. The P tag is used for paragraphs. I use it to display my name, my programs, descriptions. Ito ang ginagamit para maayos at madaling basahin ang impormasyon sa web page. The HR tag creates a horizontal line to separate different sections of my web page. It helps organize the content so that the web page looks cleaner and easier to understand. UL and LI. The UL tag creates an unordered list, while LI represents each list item. I use these tags to list 3 interesting facts about myself because they make the information organized and easy to read. The A tag creates a hyperlink. I use it to link my favorite website, which is a Google. So kapag clinic ng user ang link, ay automatic silang madadala sa ibang web page. The image tag is used to display an image on the website. I added a picture that represents something meaningful to me because images make the web page more attractive and interesting. As you can see, all the HTML elements are displayed correctly, including the heading, paragraphs, image, list, and hyperlink. One useful feature of Live Server is that whenever I edit my code and save it, the browser automatically refreshes. This helped me see the changes immediately without reloading the page manually. For example, I will change my HR to H1. After saving the file, you can see that the browser automatically updates. This makes coding faster and more convenient. I organized my web page in a simple and clear way to make it easy to read. Since this is my first HTML web page, I focus more on making the content organized rather than adding complex designs. I chose basic HTML tags because I wanted to understand first how each tag works before learning more advanced feature. This helped me build a strong foundation in HTML. So that concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening. God bless. Bye.